Here the question is saying the body acted upon by a force of 10 kgf gets displaced by 0.5 meter. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is in the direction of force. Number 2, at an angle 60 degree with the force. And number 3, normal to the force. So solution number 1 is, if the force is given 10 kgf and G's value is taken 10 Newton per kg. So whatever the value of 10 kgf is there, we have to convert it into Newton. So 10 into 10 equals to 100 Newton we have to take. S is equals to 0.5 meter. W equals to F into S equals to 100 into 0.5 equals to 100 into 5 by 10. So after simplification, we'll get it as 50 joule. Second is at an angle of 60 degree with the force. So when the force and displacement, the angle between them is 60 degree. So that time work done will be equals to Fs cos theta. So F's value 100, S's value 0.5 and cos theta, theta's value is given 60 degree. So we'll write it as cos 60 degree. This equals to 100 into decimal is removed 5 by 10 into cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. So after simplification we will get it as 25 joule. Third is normal to the force. That means theta is equals to 90 degree. So W equals to F into S into cos 90 degree. And we know the value of cos 90 degree is 0. So W equals to it's 0 is the answer. Question number 2 is saying the mass given 40 kg, the height is given 8 meter and the time is given 5 seconds. You have to take the value of G as 10 meter per second square. The first part is to calculate the force of gravity acting on the body. So the formula of force of gravity equals to m into G. M's value 40 and G's value 10 is equals to 400 Newton. All M and G are in their SI units, so we don't have to change it. Second part, work done by him against the force of gravity. So here the formula of W will be W equals to M into G into H. And in part 1, we have the value of M into G, that is 400 into 8. The value of H we have to put. So it's 3200 joule. And third is power spent by the boy. So power's formula is work done by time. So work done 3200 joule, which we got in number 2, divided by 5 equals to 640 watt is the answer. Question number 3 is 6.4 kilojoule is the energy and displacement is given 64 meter and time is 2.5 seconds. First part, the force applied. Here whatever is the energy, that is work done only. If you go to the theory part, you'll understand that energy is only measured by the amount of work done. So W equals to 6.4 kilojoule and this is not in SI unit. So 1 kilojoule is equals to 1000 joule. So that is why 6.4 into 1000 equals to 6400 joule. We know the formula of W equals to F into S. W's value we will put 6400. F we have to find and S given 64. So simple linear equation if we solve. So this implies F equals to 6400 by 64. So this implies F equals to 100 Newton. Now second part, the power spent in horsepower by the man. So power equals to work done by time. So work done is already given 6400 and time is also given 2.5 second. So if it is divided, we'll get it as 2560 watt. And since 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt, so 2560 watt is converted to watt by dividing it by 746. After dividing, we will get it as 3.43 horsepower is the answer. Here the question is, load is given 200 kgf, height is 2.5 meter and time is 5 seconds. And G is equals to 10 Newton per kg. First part, to calculate work done. So F is equals to 200 kgf. Kgf is not the SI unit. So we will convert it into Newton. So this equals to 200 into 10 is equals to 2000 Newton. Since it's given the value of G is 10 Newton per kg. So whenever we have to convert kgf into Newton, we have to multiply it by 10. In junior classes, we have done 1 kgf is equals to 10 Newton or 9.8 Newton precisely. So W equals to F into S. Work done we have to find. So F just now we have calculated 2000 into time is given 2.5. So after multiplying, you will get it as 5000 joule. Second part, power developed by him. So power's formula is work done by time. So work done we had calculated in the first number it's 5000 and time is given 5 seconds. So 5000 by 5, it is coming 1000 watt is the answer. Question number 5 is given. Load is 750 Newton, height is 16 meter and time is 5 seconds. All are here in the SI unit. So first part, the energy spent by the machine means the work done by the machine. So W equals to F into S. F value is given 750 Newton and S's value is given 16 meter. So 750 into 16, that is equals to 12,000 joule. And second part, the power of the machine if it is 100% efficient. So power equals to work done by time. Work done from the previous number, it's 12,000 and time is given 5 seconds. So after dividing, you will get it as 2400 watt. Question number 6 is saying the power is 3 kilowatt and used for 10 hours. How much energy does it consume? So energy is equals to power into time. So 3 kilowatt into 10 hour. So 3 10 are 30 kilowatt hour. And second part, you have to convert it into joule also. So 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So 30 kilowatt hour will be equals to 30 into 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now if we multiply, we will get it 108 into 10 to the power 6 joule, which can also be written as 1.08 into 10 to the power 8 joule is the answer. Question number 7 is saying a water pump raises 50 liter of water through a height of 25 meter in 5 seconds. Calculate the power of the pump used, assuming 100% efficiency. Now take G is equals to 10 Newton per kg and density of water equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. We must be knowing the liter is the unit of volume. So volume is given here 50 liter. We know that 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So volume, we have to convert it into form of meter cube. So volume will be equals to 50 by 1000 meter cube. We know that density equals to mass by volume. So from this relation, mass will be equals to density into volume. So density is given 1000 kg per meter cube, and volume we just calculated 50 by 1000 meter cube. So this will give you the answer. It's equals to 50 kg. Volume meter cube and density is kg per meter cube. So those two meter cubes will be cancelled to each other. So the mass will come in kg. Now work formula we know, it's m into g into h. So m is given 50. G's value is to be taken 10. It is given in the question. And height, that is also 25 meter given. So but we have to find out the power. So we will not multiply 50 into 10 into 25. So power equals to, we know it's work by time. So 50 into 10 into 25 divided by time is given 5 seconds. So if we cancel 5 tens are 50. So 10 into 10 into 25 is equals to 2500 watt.